You have a website, that's great, but how do people find it? You can't just build it and hope they come. You need search engine optimization, or SEO. Think of SEO as a way to make your website more attractive to search engines like Google. When people search for things related to your website, SEO helps your site show up higher in the results. This guide will help you understand the basics of SEO. We'll use simple terms and practical examples. Let's get started. SEO is the art and science of optimizing your website for search engines. It's about making your website easy for search engines to understand and rank. When your website is optimized, search engines can easily discover your content, understand what your website is about, and show your website to people searching for relevant information. The higher your website ranks in search results, the more likely people are to visit your site. Imagine a busy marketplace. Your website is a stall in this marketplace. SEO is what makes your stall stand out. Here's why SEO is crucial. Increased visibility. SEO helps your website appear higher in search results, making it more visible to potential customers. More traffic, higher visibility leads to more organic, non-paid traffic to your website. Better user experience. SEO involves improving your website's usability, making it easier for visitors to find what they need. Without SEO, your website will be lost in the vast digital landscape. Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to deliver the most relevant results to users. Here's a simplified process. Crawling search engines use bots to crawl the web and discover new pages. Indexing. These pages are then added to a massive index, like a library catalog. Ranking. When a user searches for something, the search engine analyzes its index and ranks websites based on relevance, authority, and other factors. By understanding this process, we can optimize our websites to rank higher. The three pillars of SEO can be divided into three main categories: on-page, off-page, and technical. On-page SEO involves optimizing your website's content and code. This includes using relevant keywords that people search for, creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content, and writing compelling titles and meta descriptions that appear in search results. Off-page SEO focuses on building your website's authority and reputation. This involves getting other websites to link to your site and promoting your content while engaging with your audience on social media. Technical SEO ensures your website is technically sound and accessible to search engines. This covers making sure your website loads quickly, optimizing your website for mobile devices, and organizing your website for easy navigation. Section 6. SEO Tips for Beginners. First steps to success. Here are some practical SEO tips to get you started. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords for your website. Optimize your content. Use keywords naturally in your content, but don't stuff them in. Build quality backlinks. Reach out to other websites in your niche and ask for links. Use social media. Share your content on social media platforms to increase visibility and drive traffic. Track your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your website's performance. Section 7. SEO Pitfalls, Common Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. Avoid these common SEO mistakes. Keyword stuffing. Overusing keywords will hurt your rankings, not help them. Duplicate content. Don't copy content from other websites. Create original content. Ignoring technical SEO technical issues can prevent search engines from crawling and indexing your website. Buying backlinks. Purchasing backlinks is a black hat SEO tactic that can get your website penalized. Section 8. Measuring your success. Are you climbing the ladder? SEO is an ongoing process. It's important to track your progress and make adjustments along the way. Monitor your rankings. Track your website's ranking for important keywords. Analyze your traffic. See where your visitors are coming from and what pages they're visiting. Adjust your strategy. Based on your data, refine your SEO strategy to improve your results. Section 9. Conclusion. Your SEO journey starts now. This guide has provided you with a basic understanding of SEO. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, consistent, and keep learning. With effort and the right approach, you can improve your website's visibility, attract more visitors, and achieve your online goals.